Hi everyone, my name is Amichai Evanchen, and I want to show you another cool project I did with base44 and Monday.com. This time I took a real use case that a lot of users are building themselves, and I improved it with base44. So what do we have here? This is a customer project board. So this is where I log all the project that I'm doing for my own customers, and I want to build them based on how many hours I worked on it. So I can add the data manually and view it from the board, but I want something a bit more custom made. So of course, I built my own view in base44 that allows me to track, to log the time and see how much I worked on it. So let's start. I'm building a Monday.com base44 integration. This is the project. So I'm Amichai. What I'm doing is building a cool demo for the integration, right? I worked on it for 30 minutes because it was so easy and it was billable. Let's add the entry. Now, as you can see, a couple of things are happening. First of all, a sub item was created with all the details, who did the job, how much time it took. And here I can see that the dashboard was updated, how many hours, who is the top contributor, and the recent logs. Let's add another one so it will be a bit more clear. Okay, we need also Maor. He needs to build the integration, right, in base. It was a bit harder. It took him like 6 hours. It's also billable. Let's add this new entry. And you can see it was added to the board, and I can see that, oh, someone else is the top contributor, and I can see all the data is updated. Lastly, let's add Eran Rosen. He was working on communicate with non-profits to join the hackathon. Okay, this was not billable, even though we worked really hard for it. So let's add the time entry. And okay, it's added. It's not billable. You can see that we worked 6.5 hours, but billable and 3 not. This is the total cost. Here are the top contributors. We can see the work over time, and we can even see the entries. So everything is synced between the board and the app. How did I build it? Of course, I went to base44. As you can see, mostly with no code. Totally with no code. I helped it a little bit with the API, which we are going to make built-in, so you won't have to. And then I used Monday app framework to create my time tracker item view, and I can just edit here my installed apps, time tracker, and I have this time tracker here, and I can build multiple item views and do a lot of great things here. Cool. I hope, again, it gave you some inspiration of what you can build, and I really hope that you'll see the integration that we're working on very, very soon, and you'll be able to build all of those without any special knowledge and share with me everything that you build. So thanks again. See you next time.